Hi, my name is David Cahill. I'm the Director of Training, Research, and Development for Tire Discounters, and I'm here today at Lincoln Tech in Indianapolis to talk to you about why we hire their students. In 1976, Chip Wood founded Tire Discounters. We now have 130 locations, and we do a full array of services for our customers. We're not just tires, we're tires, automotive service, and maintenance and repair. We are looking to Lincoln Tech to help us identify the students that are going to be the next chapter in our customers' history and growth. You know, the technology of the future is with ADAS. The autonomous driving is growing and growing and growing. We have lane departure, we have autonomous braking, we have cars now that will with active cruise control, so they will adjust their speed based on the car in front of them. Cars now have radar, multiple cameras around the vehicle. These are the things that are the real technology that is moving forward. The skills gap today is actually greater when the students don't go to a school like this, so that they can get that basic theory and understanding, so that as they get in the field and these systems evolve and evolve, they have the foundation to learn and continue to learn. Without the foundation that's given at the school, they can't do that. You know, we love hiring Lincoln Tech students, and the main reason is because they come out of the school with a foundation of understanding of the theory of automotive technology. They also come out with an extremely high level of professionalism. So when they come to our company, you know, Tire Discounters has been around since 1976. We're a family-owned company, and we base our heritage on doing things right. So we love these students because they come in with such an understanding and a want and need to learn even more. And so when they transition into our company, we can help them further their education. We have a full ASE program where we pay for all their ASE testing. We also offer full training for them in hunter alignment, levels 1 through 3. We have a full program for them when they graduate here. We want them to make money, we want them to be excited, we want them to want to do it right and have fun.